Wih, anjay.
Oh itu tan.
Tidak. Sangkut tidak. Sangkut. Hah?
Udah.
Oh, ni. Antara ia dua kau ya ni. Ada ke ni? Oh, ambil onang je. Ayo, dia nak wain untuk serap sikit dah tu. Ada sikit lah dia juga. Ambil lah sikit lain. Tak saya tu. Biasalah ada orang tak ubek lah gua. Ha? Ekor di tepi danau. Tepi danau. Iya. Yalah. Assalamualaikum. Pun kaya dengan sana saudara. Okey. Ikan mayang kecilnya ha. Ikan apa? Makan. Sandunya. Kopi ye cu. Wih, anjay.
Oh itu tan.
Tidak. Sangkut tak? Sangkut. Hah?
Udah. Ikut ah.
Bah. Hai.
Kon. Itu panen lo tadi tu.
Mah, kok? Tak. Nyangkut. Aku yang makan lo tadi.
Oh.
Deh. Wah, itu.
Wah, bocah. Oh, lo banyak.
Ada ikan eh?
Lo banyak atau panjang dah lah mentan.
Hah?
Oh.
Iya mah. Aku ada ikan eh kru.
Apa?
Kopi ye kena makan. Alhamdulillah. Wah, entah. Kalau gua mata pancing apa? Ya.
Dua ni mata pancing. Oh,
jangan pancing.
Kan umpan tentang ah.
Terima kasih. Ini apa? Yuk, pindah ke timur lagi.
Tengok tu ha. Makin lompat tu tak ada lagi. Cuba buat dah.
Awak ngantuk dia ni. Awak kan dah dapat strike tadi tu. Tu dia mah. Pas dah minta tu, awak sental tu kayak kan dapat dia tu. Mana tak terasa ikan dia. Mungkin dia mencari ikan kadang tadi ketikanya. Boleh rakit dua sekurangnya. Aku. Tayo. Tayo. B. Wuih, alhamdulillah. Ini banyak yang makan tu. Sini. Nak jaring ke bawah. Ha?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Good, can you down? High today?